Unlock the secrets of the mind. How the brain works. The human mind is an incredibly complex and fascinating topic. And understanding how it works can be challenging. However, breaking it down into smaller, more manageable parts can help make it more understandable. At the most basic level, the mind can be thought of as consisting of two main parts: the brain and the nervous system. The brain is the control center of the body, responsible for all of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. The nervous system, on the other hand, is the network of nerves that connects the brain to the rest of the body, allowing us to sense and respond to the world around us. The brain is made up of three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest and most complex part of the brain and is responsible for things like thinking, feeling, and moving. It is divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right, each with their own unique functions. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain and is responsible for coordinating movement and balance. The brainstem, located at the base of the brain, is responsible for controlling essential functions like breathing and heart rate. Inside the brain, there are billions of nerve cells, also known as neurons, that communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. These signals travel between neurons through specialized connections called synapses. When these signals are transmitted, they create patterns of activity that are responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and actions. One of the most important functions of the brain is memory. Memory is the ability of the brain to store and retrieve information. It is a complex process that involves multiple regions of the brain, including the hippocampus, the amygdala, and the prefrontal cortex. Another important function of the brain is the ability to learn. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge and skills. It is a complex process that involves many different regions of the brain. For example, the cerebellum plays an important role in motor learning, while the prefrontal cortex plays an important role in cognitive learning. In summary, the human mind is an incredibly complex and fascinating topic. But understanding the basics of how it works can help us better understand ourselves and the world around us. The brain and the nervous system are the main components of the mind. And the brain is made up of three main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. Neurons, the nerve cells, communicate through electrical and chemical signals and patterns of activity that are responsible for thoughts, emotions, and actions. Memory and learning are also important functions of the brain. And understanding them better can help us improve our memory and learning abilities. Like and subscribe.